Okay, so a rectangular box. Can you guys draw that?
Yeah.
Draw a box. It has a dimension of 20 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 15 centimeters. They are shipped in a larger box. Okay, so this is a small box. And then we have a larger box. And what are the dimensions of the larger box? 100 by 80 by 60. We need to know how many small boxes can fit inside the larger box.
2.
Well, what do we have to calculate? They gave you a hint here. Consider the volumes of the boxes. I need to know how much space is occupied by the large box. And I need to know how much space is occupied by the small box so I can figure out how many of those fit into the larger box. Once you figure out the volumes, what are you going to do to figure out how many of them go inside the large box? What operation? So let's find the volume. Let's do the large box first. What's the volume of a rectangular prism? Length times?
Width times height.
Okay, so just multiply the numbers together. 80 times 60 times 100. This is the large box. It doesn't matter what order you multiply it in. You could have done 100 times 80 times 60. It doesn't matter. We're calculating the volume. What is the volume of the large box? 480,000 centimeters cubed. What's next? What do I have to calculate next? Good. The volume of the small box. Same formula. 15 times 4 times 20 equals 1,200. Yes. I need to know how many of these boxes fit into here. How many times does 1,200 go into 480,000? What is the operation? Equals 400. So therefore, 400 small boxes can fit into the larger box.